How's everyone doing today? Welcome to week 9. Week 9, we're going to be looking at chapters 17 and 18, and we're going to be participating in discussion board 5. I think week 9 is going to be a little bit interesting because now we're going to start be looking at some of the challenges we're going to see other countries be influenced by with their exchange rates. And exchange rates are very important because it influences a lot of the economic direction of our economy. So for this week, you're going to be reading those 2 chapters and focusing on the discussion board. The key to the discussion board that a lot of people are skipping over, but you did do better on discussion board 4. In your initial post, you want to focus on that in-text citation and reference and APA formatting. You want to support your work with appropriate support, and that's the key. If you can do that, that really helps sell your point better. Make sure to get that first post in as well by Thursday and remaining work in by Saturday. But for this week, we're looking at a fixed exchange rate regime. And that exchange rate is where the economy doesn't change and you can predict the level of the exchange. That's a very important concept because if you think about it, in the U.S. we have a flexible exchange rate. It's always changing. But if we can predict the level of the exchange, that's going to bring about more stability and more people want to actually trade in the economy. So that's something we're going to be looking at this week. So focus on consumer and business confidence with the exchange rate, if they can accurately predict the change that will occur. That's one of the key concepts to look at. The next thing you want to look at in the question is focused on how will business changes occur when you look at the fixed exchange rate versus a flexible exchange rate. So that's another concept you want to focus on. If we look at the question, if you're an exporter, what exchange rate would you rather work under? And if you're an importer, what exchange rate would you rather work under? So those are 2 that you want to focus on in your analysis and how it brings about change for what we're looking at. So the content's related basically to stability, understanding the price level to make actual exchanges. If you have any questions, let me know, but focus on your peer responses, the quality of the responses, and also focus on how to develop your work and answering all the questions that are involved in there. And if you have any other questions, just let me know, but I look forward to your participation this week.